Hi, this is Owen from BinaryOptionsReview.com, and today I want to show you the binary options trading with OptionRally Broker. Now, in this setup, you're going to see here that you've got a lot of different things that you can trade. Commodities, you can trade currencies, indices, hot assets, all sorts of different things. And today what we're going to be looking at is we're actually going to be looking at currency. We're going to look at a couple different ones here. And the one that really kind of strikes my attention or gets my attention right away is a couple of them. The Australian dollar versus US dollar, you'll see, has a good rising increase here. And then you also see the the euro versus the Japanese yen. That has a pretty good swing, and it looks like we're kind of down at the lower end of things. So you'll see I've only got a couple minutes here to be able to put in my positions, so I'm going to make it real easy. We're starting out with 10 grand up here. And these are the trade choice options. This is what shows us exactly which direction the system thinks it's going to go. We're going to look at euro versus Japanese yen. We're going to do a call, and we'll do it for 150 to start. And so this is going to pay out quite nicely for us in the end. And we'll go ahead and we'll put that in. We'll approve it. The trade's been approved, or transaction's been approved. And now you'll see there's about a little over 15 minutes left before that option expires. And so what we're going to do is we're going to kind of fast forward through time, go to when this is actually going to show us closer to the end of the deal, and see exactly how it all works out. You'll see here, though, it does track the position in real time, and it shows you exactly how the current option is doing. So bear with me for just a few minutes, and I will be right back, and we'll pick up where we left off. Okay, and so now we're back, and you can see that there's about 20 seconds left here on this deal, and the option's about to expire. And actually, you're going to see that if we charted it all out, it actually ended up coming out. Looks like it's going to come out a loser. We'll see. And there we go. So now we'll see here that the balance doesn't really come back up any. So we're out a little bit. And so what we'll do is it'll refresh and it'll load the new one. And so what we'll do is we'll come back in here and we're going to do it again. And the reality of it is that the only way you're going to lose on this is if you start going up and down and trying to trade against it and guessing it. Okay, the way this works is simple. You may lose once, you may lose twice, you may lose 3 times, but you're not going to lose 4 times in a row. The trick, though, is to go through and double up what your last one was, so that way, when you do get your correct outcome, then you're not going to end up losing your money. So here we'll do it again. We'll apply it and approve it, and it says, okay, the transaction's been approved. We still did it in the same direction as the system's indicating, and now we will then have to fast forward again, and this time it looks like it's going to be for 30 minutes to get it to pay out. So I will fast forward time again, and we'll take a look at it at that point. Thanks so much. Okay, and so now we're back, and we're at about a minute and 15 seconds left. You're going to see that for pretty much most of the time here we've been in the green. It looks like we're probably going to end up winning on this one, and so we'll get a good payout and a good profit from it on this. It's a 67% payout, and really we've had an elapsed time of about 45 minutes altogether, so that's really not too bad. So we're looking at the last few seconds of this, and looks like we're going to end up coming out all right on it. So you'll see here it shows the actual up and down cycle of it, and it shows you kind of the graph as it goes in real time, which is fantastic. So if you want to watch it, you can watch it, or if not, you can close it up and you can just let it run its course. Either way is fine, really. But you'll see right at the moment we're at 95.5750 is our balance, and we're just about a little over 15 seconds away now, 10, and we'll see exactly how this all ends, and you'll see that it'll go through, update, and then it will also, of course, update the balance. That's, of course, the beautiful part of it. So, okay, we're finishing out now. And we go through, and any second it will update. There we go. Now it's reloading and paying everything out. And there we go. So $58.50, 45 minutes. I mean, you do the math. That's, it's one of those things where the more obviously you put in, the more profit you're going to get from that transaction. But the bottom line is that where else are you going to go to be able to go and make money in this way and really make it that easy? So you guys got to check it out. It's OptionRally, and this has been Owen from BinaryOptionsReview.com, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much.